So here's driver's side window, and this weather stripping right here, pretty bad shape. Got some replacement pieces for it. So the task for today is to remove that weather stripping, and then before we put on the new stuff, gonna try polishing up these chrome pieces here. Also gonna clean the window as best I can, clean the bracket here, and yeah, that's the task for today. Trying to get the old stuff out without bending the metal a lot here. So just being very careful with the screwdriver. Making progress. We'll have to figure out kind of what adhesive they're using. Oh, look at this. It's kind of slid out there. So maybe that's good to know for the next time. But yeah, it looks like there was an adhesive used here. Right, you don't want it sliding out. So, yeah. There's the old stuff. And then over here, I've got the new stuff. It's a little bit longer than the window, so you just kind of cut it to the size here, but so there it is right there, right? It's gonna look so much better. But yeah. So I'm gonna go through, and all the components to the kind of the window setup, I'll be doing the same thing. A damp rag and everything off with it. And this is Purple Power cleaning solution. I'll use that here in a little bit. Whenever you use glue, you're gonna have to clean the surface really well so that the glue will stick and stuff. So I'm cleaning this track. probably possible to remove this chrome piece right here from the glass. I'm just a little hesitant to do that though. This is original glass, and anytime you're handling it, you have to be super careful. I'm going to take a razor blade down, see if I can scrape off some more pieces in here. Difficult spot though. Thing is, it's getting covered up though, right? A little bit. Just do an initial pass. Then I'll probably put some of that purple powder on it to see if it'll soften it up a bit and do a little bit again. Well, not it. So I'll get the rest of it in here too. Sit for a bit. Got some steel wool here too. Kind of like scrub. Still trying to decide whether I want to do window tint on this or not. It's got kind of that natural green tint that they used to do back in the day. Yeah, that pure wool inside this crack right here is pulling that glue right off. That's good. Wipe it down with just wet towel. Then I'll go over it with a microfiber towel after that. Inside now. It's a little better, right? Towel. just because I'm curious. I want to try fit one of these strips in here, see how it goes. No glue on it, so it should come out pretty easy. Yeah. See how snug it goes. So I might have to, it's going in kind of tight, so I might have to do a little bit of grease, light grease to get it to slide in a little bit better, but yeah, that's gonna work nice. Brand new. Roll it. Yeah. Roll down. Like to take a screwdriver, claw, going along those grooves, and put that through pockets. That's in there. Let it sit for a bit. told, I had already gone and moved the majority of the dirt from this window where I put it in the trailer over here. So it actually, looks really cool. Pull out the other window, passenger side. The only thing left to do is I want to clean up this section here. This is the lift bracket. Clean up the lift bracket, polish the metal, and then install the new weather stripping with some adhesive. I'm going to research what kind of adhesive to use on that, but progress.